Hello everyone. My name is JiwanJot Singh. I will start by explaining what pure water does and the main challenges we are facing today. Let's get started. Pure water bottle and sell premium drinking water to retailers and restaurants because our business depends on fast and high volume production. Any small disruption can impact on our profitability directly. So right now we are dealing with three big challenges. The first challenge is unstable plastics, unstable plastic cost. The price of virgin plastic keep rising and falling because it depends on oil prices. At the same time, customers are becoming more worried about microplastics and pollution, which affect our brand. Nextly, the second challenge is supply chain risk. Climate change is increasing the chances of drought, and that directly threaten our main water source. If the water level drops too low, we simply cannot produce. The third challenge is internal system vulnerability. Our factories' OD system are outdated and not well protected from cyber threats. If a cyber attack shuts down our machines, production should stop immediately. So overall, these challenges affect our cost, stability, our supply reliability, and our long-term sustainability as a business. So now I will explain. The next slide is fortifying the supply chain. So let's get started. To solve these issues, the first area we focus on is strengthening our entire supply chain, from the water sources to the customer. The biggest risk is water source security. Droughts can completely shut down our main supply, so our solution is to immediately secure a backup water source contract. This guarantees production continue even during extreme climate conditions. The second risk is system security. Our OD system can be hacked or shut down, which would stop the bottling line. To fix this, we need to isolate the OD network and apply proper cyber security measures. It should be good. The third risk is plastic cost vulnerability. Because plastic prices jump suddenly, our costs become unpredictable. The solution is to diversify and work with at least two plastic suppliers. This way, we are not dependent on one vendor or on one market price. So, lastly, by handling these three risks, we make our entire supply chain more stable, more secure, and much less vulnerable to sudden disruptions. Yeah, so our next main topic is smart stock management. Let's get started. So, nextly, we looked at how we can reduce costs through better inventory management, which is very essential for any business. Not only for this, the first solution is optimal ordering. We will order precise amounts of caps and labels so we don't waste money storing excess material. Secondly, we follow a high turnover strategy. This means products move out quickly, reduce storage time, and lowering holding costs. Nextly, third, we use ABC inventory analysis. A items like plastic resin are the most expensive, so they get the most attention. B items are mid cost, and C items are cheaper. This helps us manage our money more effectively. So finally, we apply the EOQ formula, economic order quantity. This calculates the perfect order size that minimize both ordering costs and storage costs. For example, it tells us exactly how many bottle caps to order at a time. These strategies combined help us save money and avoid shortages and keep production running smoothly. Yeah. Thank you so much. So now my friend Harsh will continue.
Thank you, Jeevan. Now Harsh, will continue. The streamlined operations, easy ordering and storage. First thing is vendor managed inventory, which is VMI. It basically means we let the label supplier manage the label stock in our warehouse. They monitor the levels and automatically send new shipments we needed. This specifies our internal purchasing process and frees up our staff. The next thing we follow is first expiry, first out FEFO method. This is a system that ensures the cases of water that are bottled earliest are supplied and shipped first. This ensures that the quality of water we supply remains up to the mark and is freshest and it reaches to the customer in time. Next slide is smart shopping list, which is a MRP, material requirement planning. We are following the BMO MRP system and then scheduling. MRP is a powerful computer based tool that ensures all necessary parts are available precisely when needed. This proactive approach prevents production delays and caused by missing material storages, which is previously mentioned by Jeevan. Uh, BOM, which is basically beginning with the recipe. This system first reads the bill of material, which is detailed recipe of one case of bottled water. Next is automated scheduling. The system looks at our sales forecast, which is called the MPS, Master Production Schedule. It calculates the exact date when we need to place the order. Next is preventing delays. We need to make sure we prevent any delay because it could harm our production cycle. Next is optimizing production for the daily scheduling. First is setup time challenge. The first challenge is switching the machine between different bottle sizes. Like we have different product offerings of one is 500 ml bottles and other ones are 1 liter bottles. We need to separately work on them, which will be costing us some of setup time and also the cost which we need to minimize. Next is minimizing the waste. Our aim is to find the perfect sequential order for production runs. Sequencing production correctly reduces wasted time between jobs, which is really important. Next is EDD, which is also called earliest due date. We will use the earliest due date rule to prioritize orders. Next is guaranteed fulfillment. This rule ensures the most urgent customer orders are always completed first. This will help us get more and more happy customers. And next slide will be covered by Harveer.
Hello everyone. On this slide, optimizing production daily schedule. On this slide, I will explain how we plan our daily production. One big issues we face is setup time, which happen when we switch between different bottle sizes. This causes downtime, so we want to reduce these changeovers as much as possible to stay efficient. We also use the earliest due date rule. This means we always produce the order that is due the soonest. By doing this, we reduce late deliveries and keep our customers satisfied. On the next slide, eliminating waste lean operations. This slide focuses on how we remove waste using lean method operations. Lean help us identify anything that does not add value. Motion waste happens when workers walk around too much to find tools. Waiting waste happen when machine break down and material arrive late. Defects are also waste because problem like bent label or leak slow down production. And finally, overproduction is waste because making more than we need ties up space and money. On to the next slide. Lean tools for continuous improvement. Here are the tool that we use to support lean. First is the 5S system: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It helps keep the workspace organized and reduces waste time. Next is the add and signal system. If machine has an issue, working can pull a cord and red light alert the whole team. This reduces waiting time for repairs. We also promote individual issue resolution, which means worker can fix small problems right away instead of waiting for a supervisor. This keep production moving and improve morale. So the last slide. Thank you everyone for listening. These improvement will help pure water to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and keep production running smoothly. We are happy to answer any question. Thank you for listening.
Thank you all.